Hello everyone, my name is Khatana and I'm a practicing High Court lawyer. Being a partner in a law firm, I have realized that most of the candidates who come to us for an interview, they have a same desire, and that is that they want to work in a corporate law. But in order to work in a corporate law firm, you need to build some skills, whether you work abroad or in Pakistan. In order to work in a corporate sector, you have to build some skills. I made a similar video several years ago, and I'm going to share that with you on the screen. And this is part 2 of that video. So if you would like to understand that how can you start your practice in corporate law and how can you develop your skills, you will have to watch this vlog completely. Most of the candidates who wish to work in corporate sector, they don't realize that the first skill that they have to work on is research skills. Because if they cannot research on local law, international law, or if they cannot do a comparative analysis, then they cannot become a corporate lawyer. Because in corporate law, you need to understand that if you cannot find anything in the local law, you will have to find it in an international law. And then after that, you will have to do comparative analysis in order to explain it to the judge that how the jurisprudence is being developed in other jurisdiction. Secondly, if you cannot draft a good document, then you need to realize that this is not the field for you. Because in Pakistan, you must have seen that if you go to the court, most of the criminal law practitioner or maybe civil law practitioner, they go to stenographers and they just get the draft from them. They only change the name of the parties and they file the case. But in corporate law, you need to understand that if you cannot draft a good document, you're not going to find it readily available with any stenographer or maybe with most of your colleagues. So you need to understand the proposition first and then you have to draft it properly. Thirdly, you need to understand that in a corporate sector, you have to write a lot of emails. You have to communicate to your client or maybe to your colleagues or maybe to the authorities through email. And if you cannot write a formal email, you will not be able to succeed in this sector. There are so many other elements as well, but as I have mentioned that these are three major elements that you have to work on. If you develop your skill in legal drafting, if you develop your skill in legal research, and if you develop your skills in communication skills, in good listening, writing and speaking, you will be able to survive in a corporate law practice. But you will have to keep on polishing it so you are able to serve your clients, to the courts, or maybe to your seniors properly. It's a long journey. You're not going to develop the skills maybe in 1 month or 2 months. It is going to take some time. The key is that you will have to start socializing. You will have to build your network because networking is the key in corporate sector. Lastly, I really want to say that if you would like to sustain in the corporate sector, you must understand what is ADR, alternative dispute resolution. If you are a student or maybe a practitioner, you should start studying this. You should start doing courses in it because this is the future in Pakistan and this is the future around the globe. And this is going to help you a lot if you become a corporate lawyer in the future. So good luck becoming a corporate lawyer. And if you would like to ask me anything, you can write it down under this video and I'm going to answer that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another vlog. Take care. Bye-bye.